Today I will be making fun with the alarm with my snap circuit. First you attach the power band. Then you will attach your switch and put it on the power band. You are going to grab your speaker and put it on your circuit board. Grab a power band and attach it from one of your power bands to the other power band. Grab your alarm, attach it to the circuit board, and then you're going to grab another power band and attach it from the speaker to the alarm. Then you're going to grab your music, you're going to attach it onto the circuit board. Then you're going to grab your power band and attach it from the music to the alarm. Then you're going to grab your lamp, attach it next to the music. You're going to grab a power band, attach it from the music to the lamp, grab a one piece, and then put it on the lamp. Then you're going to grab your photo synthesizer, put it where the arrow is facing down, and put where the arrow is facing down onto the alarm from the power band. Then you're going to grab a power band, attach it from the power band to the alarm. Then you're going to grab another power band, attach it, use your alarm, attach it from the music to the power band, use the power band from those two and attach it in the middle. Then you're going to grab a power band, attach it next to the switch, grab your motor, attach it, grab your fan and put it on. Then you grab your cord and you put it on top of the two going to the battery. And then once you turn it on, it should make music with machine gun. And then when you cover the photosynthesizer, it makes a siren. And while the motor is spinning, if you push this, it replays it, and then you can do the same thing. When you let go, it's all done, and then you turn it off.